Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to make some rice. Now this seems easy enough, but if you follow the package directions right here, you can see this. This says for 1 cup of rice you need 2 cups of water. Well, that's correct, but for 2 cups of rice it says you need 4 cups of water, and I find that a bit much. I find that about 3 1/4 to 3 1/2 cups of water is best for 2 cups of rice. Also, for this package, it says 2 1/2 cups of rice. But what if you want to cook 3 cups of rice? First of all, for 2 1/2 cups of rice, 5 cups of water is too much. So for 3 cups of rice, I have 4 1/2. There's 4 1/4 to 4 1/2 cups of water for 3 cups of rice. So that shows you right there that this is too much. But today we're going to cook 2 cups of rice. With rice, if you try to cook your rice with too much water, it'll turn out mushy. But if you put a little less water in there, you taste it and it's still a little bit firm. All you have to do is add a little bit of water, like a 1/4 cup of water, and let it continue to cook with the lid on, and then your rice will be to your liking. And as soon as it is, you turn off the heat. But right now we're going to cook 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to put 3 1/4 cups of water in here. I'm going to let that come to a boil, and I'm going to put the rice in. I'm going to do that right now. So far, this is 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add another 1/4 cups. Now I'm going to put this on high heat until it comes to a boil, and then we'll add our rice. And it helps to put the lid on the pot to get the water to boil quicker. Okay, so here's our water. This water boiled so quick, it took like 3 to 4 minutes to boil. Alright, so now with this water I'm going to put in 2 cups of rice, and I'm not adding any oil or anything like that. I'm just going to put it in. And once you added your rice, just give it a quick stir so that it doesn't all stick together. Put your fire down to low, and then put the lid back on. And then let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. At that time, you're going to take off the lid and just taste a little bit to see if it's soft enough. If not, we're going to add some water to it. But for right now, do nothing. Just let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so let's check on our rice. And it's been about 15 minutes here. Now, don't go and fluff it all up. First, you just want to taste it. Take a little bit and taste it and see if it's soft enough. That tastes perfect. And that was only 3 1/4 cups of rice. Okay, but if you needed some more water in this, you would only add 1/4 cup. That's it. You just pour this little bit over the rice, and then you would just, it seems like nothing, but that would be all you need. And put the lid on and let it cook for 3 to 5 more minutes, and your rice should be done. But this rice, 2 cups of rice with 3 1/4 cups of water, is perfect right now. Sometimes, some days it may need 3 1/4, some days it may need 3 1/2. It just depends. And it depends on your rice too. This is regular long grain rice. This is done. So now we turn off the heat and let it sit with the lid on for 15 to 20 minutes. And you'll be able to, it'll be nice and fluffy, and you'll be able to break it apart very easily. Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes and the rice is done steaming. And as you can see, when you fluff it, it's not mushy, it's not sticky. It fluffs up beautifully. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thanks. And remember, have fun cooking.